When clients come to us and ask, what is human factors, why human factors, we like to say, first of all, it's required. So we have to do human factors if there's a device user interface. But not only do we have to, we want to, because through all of our experience, we've shown that applying human factors to medical device development makes a better product that's not only easier to use, but safer and more effective to use. So we not only have to, we want to, but we also strive to. We want users to be delighted when they're using our products. We want them to fight for that product over other products.
Human factors engineering is a very interesting hybrid of design, engineering, and also psychology. Human factors is a great way to make that communication clear between the device and the user and make sure that great technologies are actually able to be used.
Definitely the collaboration is a big thing that I really like about working at Tensentric. When you're working with a team, you get a lot of effective communication and inputs and outputs, so that way you can make good iterations and developing a really good product.
Industrial design and human factors are very closely coupled. We're effectively co-located. We'll be designing, they'll be providing feedback in real time. But we've got this very tight cycle of learning, and that gets us off to a very good start.
Human factors and systems engineering actually cross over a lot as well, especially on things that have to do with risk.
Part of a systems engineer's job is to identify ways that our product might introduce risk. Since we have human factors on the team on a daily basis, we're seeing all of that information come in live, and we're seeing all of that user research much more closely.
I think our team brings a very creative approach, a very agile approach to how we plan our human factors activities.
We utilize a bunch of different methods. We tailor those to our clients' needs. So we're able to be creative and work around different constraints that our clients might have.
The most important consideration when setting up human factor studies is your recruitment.
We have a wide network of local nurses, different types of clinicians that we can call up and recruit ourselves for studies.
We do a mix of both in-person and virtual evaluations. It really will depend on the type of evaluation that you're trying to run.
We do have kind of a virtual setup that allows us to use multiple camera feeds and stream the user as they're going through the different tasks, and allows our clients to view them from anywhere in the world. When we're getting ready for a study, we'll collaborate pretty closely with the client to figure out exactly what they're looking to learn.
So we actually really like it when clients are engaged with our human factors process, whether they're in person behind the one-way glass, or even if they're called into those conference calls during a session. They're able to watch and see how the session goes. If they see something happen in evaluation, we're able to monitor that through a conferencing chat and bring those questions in.
I think it's so important that clients are able to ask their questions in real time instead of watching that test back later and wondering, what would this participant have done had I asked this question?
Our report turnaround time is really quick and really efficient, but also really comprehensive. And it's really valuable because we're able to get it in the design team's hands so that they can start making changes right away.
So at Tensentric, we get a lot of different types of projects. Projects can start from very early stage conceptualization and helping the client come up with ideas on what to design and what to make to solve a medical problem, as well as just getting them through the hoops at the very end stage of development. So from start to finish, we pretty much do it all.